Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 5.8 question number 2. Name each polygon. Here you see, here there are four sides and all are made up of line segment 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four sides. Therefore, a closed figure with four side line segment, it is known as quadrilateral. Number A is quadrilateral. It is known as quadrilateral. Q, U, A, D, R, I, L, A, T, E, R, A, L. Quadrilateral, right? Now, here quadrilateral has four sides. Then you can make two examples also like this. I made a rectangle. It is also quadrilateral. And if I made a square, it is also a quadrilateral, right? Now, question number B. What is the name of this polygon? All are made of a line segment. Then how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, and it is also a closed figure, right? 3 side, that means it is a triangle. It is a triangle. It is a triangle. We can make other triangles also like this, or maybe a right triangle, right? Now question number C. In question number C also, you see these are made up of line segment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line segments are there. Therefore, it is known as pentagon. 5 sides. P, E, N, T, A, G, O, N. This is pentagon, right? We make other pentagon also like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Also can make like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? These are the different various pentagons, and it has also 5 line segment, and these are all closed figure also. Now question number D. Question number D. It is also a closed figure, and how many sides are there? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides, and it is also a closed figure. Therefore, it is known as octagon. Octagon means 8 side. O, C, T, A, octagon, G, O, N, octagon, right? Here you can make octagon also, like regular octagon you can make, right? Octagon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here see, there are 8 side, right? In this way, we can make more such figures, right? These are the various names of the polygon. Here is side, 4 sides means it is quadrilateral, 3 sides it is means triangle, 5 sides it is known as pentagon, and 8 side it is known as octagon, right? These are the various names and the examples also. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.